Money Saving Homes, brought to you by a team of high-performance home professionals, showing future and existing homeowners how to make different home feature choices to buy a new money-saving home or a money-saving ready home with a view to saving some serious money while at the same time living in a more comfortable home that will have more value and one day resell faster and for more. This video is also in support of our Switch It Green, Switch It Forward project, installing free solar panels in the homes of wounded veterans to eliminate their energy costs and use the savings to send their kids to college and escape from poverty. And as a thank you to you for watching, please see later in this video how to download your free 6-page 30-point checklist for buying or retrofitting a money-saving home. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The goal of this video is to show a concept in which adding the additional cost of high-performance home features to a home mortgage loan results in savings that, if added to the future payments, accelerates the loan repayment term and reduces interest costs. But let's first take a step back and look at some standard home ownership costs that often feel just like a financial black hole for homeowners, as they spend $700 to $1,200 a year on sewer and water, hundreds of dollars buying bottled water because of impurities in tap water, $1,000 to $2,000 a year on lawn maintenance, $600 to $1,000 on irrigation, much of which is wasted, medical costs for allergies and other respiratory problems caused by indoor toxins and improper home ventilation, ever-increasing insurance costs because standard homes are built just to hurricane code, and hundreds of dollars in additional energy, maintenance, and appliance replacement costs because of hard water or their expensive soft water solutions, and finally, continuously increasing electricity, gas, and other energy costs. The result is that many families simply can't keep up. Also because of this, many homeowners spend most of their lives in debt, especially 30-year mortgage debt, which usually results in them settling their mortgage only when they're old and grey, during which time they paid almost twice for their home. Fortunately, there is a smarter way. What if you could instead save most of this money and use it to pay off your mortgage in 18 to 24 years instead of 30 years? Instead of owning a technologically outdated home that is a health, insurance, maintenance, water, and energy hog, you could own a money-saving home which is green and lean on costs because it includes all the latest technologies that will plug up the financial black hole and save thousands of home ownership dollars every year. These are savings that can be added to mortgage payments, thereby accelerating the time that you agreed to pay back your home loan, thereby saving years of unnecessary mortgage payments and thousands of dollars of mortgage interest costs. Let's take a look at two examples. In this example, when $250 of mortgage savings are paid into a $300,000 30-year loan at 5% interest rate, $81,149 are saved, and the loan is paid up 7.5 years sooner. While in this example, when $200 of mortgage savings are paid into a $100,000 30-year loan at 4% interest rate, it results in $33,977 saved and the loan being paid up 13 years sooner. And because a money-saving home has a low cost of ownership, it should resell faster and for more. And because you saved energy, you might even receive a thank you from Uncle Sam in the form of a tax credit. For detailed information about this concept, consider ordering the latest edition of our ebook entitled Money Saving Homes from our website moneysavinghomes.com, or you can order a print copy from amazon.com. Included in this 256-page book is information about 75 money-saving home features that can be included in any home. Included are also 150 images and diagrams, as well as calculations and examples of savings for each money-saving home feature. And while there, you can also visit our Money Saving Home store to read all about and order the features that you can install yourself, or request one of our team members to consult, advise, supply, or install money-saving home features for you. or to help you find and buy a ready-to-go new money-saving home, or a ready-to-go money-saving ready home, while at the same time supporting our Switch It Green, Switch It Forward project. And please join our Facebook group where you can talk to other money-saving homeowners, ask questions, and get news. Now, as a thank you to you for watching to the end of this video, please go to moneysavinghomes.com and see how you can download a free copy of our 30-point checklist for buying or retrofitting a money-saving home when subscribing to our newsletter. This brings us to the end of our video about our money-saving homes concept. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up below, leave a comment, and subscribe, as that improves its Google ranking and thereby indirectly supports our project to help wounded veteran kids to escape from poverty. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in one of our many money-saving home feature-specific videos, which you can access via the link below. Please note that the information, calculations, and results contained in this video are for illustrative purposes only and are not guaranteed to be accurate. The producers are not loan officers, accountants, or tax professionals. Any legal or financial information that is shared are personal opinions based on their own experience, observations, and conclusions. You should seek the advice of a professional before acting on anything seen in this video or when buying real estate. Any amount of savings presented in this video should not be considered as average. This is because nobody can accurately predict a home's future energy consumption, irrespective of whatever energy improvements are made. This is true because no one can predict how the occupants of a home or their friends or visitors will use, manage, conserve, or waste the energy after the improvements have been made. This video was produced by Florida Green Home Consultants, LLC, and Mario Smook, real estate broker for Florida Green Home Brokers. Thank you.